A second cook on a ship typically assists the first cook or head cook in preparing meals for the crew and any passengers on board. The role can vary depending on the size of the ship and the specific duties required by the employer, but generally, the responsibility meal preparation, assisting in preparing and cooking meals for the crew, including breakfast, lunch, and dinner, ensuring they are nutritious and meet dietary preferences or restrictions. Kitchen maintenance, keeping the kitchen clean and organized, including washing dishes, sanitizing surfaces, and ensuring that food storage areas are properly maintained. Inventory management, helping with inventory control such as checking stock levels, receiving deliveries, and ensuring that ingredients are used before they spoil. Assisting with menu planning, working with the first cook to plan menus, sometimes based on available supplies or dietary needs of the crew. Safety and hygiene compliance, ensuring that food safety standards are adhered to, including maintaining cleanliness in food preparation areas and proper handling of ingredients. Helping with special requests, catering to specific dietary needs or preferences that may come from the crew or passengers. Adapting to the ship's environment, working in a potentially smaller, confined space with limited resources, and being adaptable in meal preparation methods. If you're considering or already working as a second cook, it's important to be flexible, quick on your feet. It's also essential to be a good team player, as ship kitchens can be busy, especially with larger crews.